lived in our cute little Upper East Side apartment in New York City for about 1.5 years now. So it's a beautiful day in November, and I figured what better time than right now to finally give an apartment tour. So welcome to our kitchen. Right when you walk in, you come to this space. This is her. Very accessible from one side to the next, as you can see. I would describe our home as a mix of like cottagecore, summer campy, macrame, wicker, baskets. Just saying a lot of words at this point. Colorful but also neutral vibe. That's it. That's who we are. I would say. Our stove is little, but I forget that it's small, honestly, because she does the job and this is all I've ever known, basically. Stove, microwave. We just were into our bedroom. So we've got a bed, we've got a dresser, we've got a little nightstand, and that's pretty much it. My mom actually got us this macrame runner, and it's supposed to be a dining room table runner, but works perfectly as a dresser runner because we do not have a large dining room table. We do not have a closet, a hall closet, any sort of... We have one closet, and that's where we keep our clothes, so coats all have to go in here, so we kind of just like got creative, put some baskets, just a lot of different baskets. Past the kitchen we have this little area that is supposed to be like a passage through between the kitchen and the living room. We've made it into an extension of the kitchen, and it's our little dining area space. So we have our table and chairs. Originally there was a line of shelving here, and so this was just capable of being a hallway, but we did not want that lining of shelving, so we put in our own things. And across we have our bathroom. If you'd like to stay out there, there's probably not room for the two of us in here. This actually, I think, was the first thing that was fully decorated of all the rooms in this apartment, which makes sense. It's the smallest space, so it was pretty easy to decorate. We've got our sink, we've got the toilet with a nice little diffuser, and our shower, and that's it. So our living room is our guest bedroom, our game room, TV room, everything, office. I do all of my photography work from here, pretty much, with our desk. Welcome to Marilyn Lamont Photography headquarters. This corner is where I do all of my work, and we just recently painted this beautiful arch rainbow, and it's kind of like a nice color combo between our two vibes. I'm very much like warmish, and Leah is very green blue tones, so I think it ties together our aesthetics very nicely. I think we had the green piece of furniture over here originally, but we moved that and got this lovely thing that houses pretty much anything and everything from books to candles. Pretty sure there are some camera hard drives in there. There are definitely some camera hard drives in there. And then our TV. We've had this TV since freshman year of college, and she's holding on, so. With all of our string lights is I installed a remote control, so I can turn on the bedroom lights, the living room lights, and the outdoor lights. Did you do it?
Yep.
Which is great. It's turned on by itself a few times.
Blame the ghosties.
Yeah, we could possibly have some ghosties living with us. It's unclear, but they're welcome. So let's go outside. So this is our pride and joy. It makes living in New York City so fulfilling when you can come outside and have a space that is your own and just be outside and enjoy. Hoping to garden a little bit more. We've got some vines back here. Is that it? This is a great spot to stop, have some morning coffee. I have my chai and say hello to all the neighbors, wish them a good morning, soak up a little bit of sun. And that's pretty much it. There you have it. That is our apartment. Thank you so much for watching. You can stay outside. I'm gonna go back in. Ugh. But thanks so much for joining me.